All right, having some fun here. Watch out for anybody coming out and hitting you like that. Oh, he was looking right.
And I was going across to target the 2 lane.
He got ejected.
So I was at the stop sign. And I was.
Imagine the amount of force it would take to throw a grown man watching YouTube on his phone that far.
I was going across to target.
I hope he jumped, right? Because, like, his left leg. But I don't think he was because he was looking right. I think there's another. So he was looking.
So
I don't think he jumped. There's no way he jumped. Whoa. He hit the ejector seat button.
Stop sign, and I was going.
All right, let's listen to his after action review.
Across to target. The 2 lanes immediately in front of me were traffic coming from my left to my right, and it was clear, so I went across.
That's his holster, I'm assuming.
To the turning lane, right in the center. And
I wonder if his gun stayed in.
As I get there, I glance over to the next 2 lanes where traffic's going this way, like this.
Yeah.
And I remember
I'm surprised he's able to walk.
Way, looking almost straight, and then seeing the hood of that truck, right.
Look at the dent in the truck.
Right there.
Oof. Okay, so in this situation, it's kind of tough. So I get it. We're looking everywhere. There's a lot of heavy traffic. So you have to pick this up in your peripheral. You just have to. You can't stay focused and your target fixating on those other things like he was saying. You have to pick this up in your peripheral. Something is coming at you. Then change your focus and then accelerate out. You have to keep up with it. You have to start scanning and moving your head. You have to keep doing that. You have to keep your head on a swivel. That's the whole head on the swivel thing. You can't just keep looking one way. It sucks overall.
Of that truck.
So it's a vision problem in this situation. Well, I had my first wreck. Okay, Too Fast, Too Soon. That's an interesting name. All right, make sure you hit that like button, guys. All right, what do we got here? Okay, coming through the corners, having some fun. Slowing it down here and there. Oh, a little bit low. So we low-sided. So you see here the okay, this is why he's new. This is like a new person. That's what he said. His first wreck, Too Fast, Too Soon. You have to find just a nice and easy, either nice and easy on, easy off. You can't do this I'm going too fast off, going too slow on. You have to just do nice and easy, because what you're doing is when you do this, you're making the front suspension do this. And when you're in the middle of a turn, and it's doing that, I'm exaggerating, but it's doing that. What do you think is happening to the traction? And then if you start applying brakes with it, you see what's happening here? It's not good. You want a smooth through the turn. And so we went a little bit low too. Could have been a fistful of front brake. How you doing, Captain Hammer? Welcome back.
This biker didn't match his skills to his riding style, and when things got more challenging, he couldn't keep up. As he admitted, it was
looks
tough,
like
but valuable lesson, especially for a beginner.
Arizona a little bit. Oh, got pushed out. Okay. Yeah, you guys saw what happened here. Be a bell curve, not a heartbeat. Yeah, I like that. You guys saw what happened here, right? So these are some curves coming up, 25 miles per hour recommended. I don't know what we're going, but we're probably not going 25. You see how the camber starts getting switched up? You see how it's a very tight, basically straight line weave? Okay? So let's slow it down. Let's slow it down, and then we have construction, so we have road surface hazards. We went too fast, we're just gonna kind of cut. Stay in the middle. But in order to do middle, you have to slow it down. It's just like the straight line weave. If you go too fast on that first cone, the second cone's gonna be harder. Third cone's gonna be almost impossible, and you're gonna miss the fourth cone. And so if we start too fast on this first one, yeah, we made the first turn right here. This is where parking lot practice really helps. We made this first turn. The second turn got hard because we're going a little bit too fast. Camber, not camber. All right, camber. All right. And so we get a little bit too fast. This person gave room, but we were going too fast. And now we got shot out to this next turn, and we missed this next turn. Just like we were going to mix the next cone. And then we went too wide and crashed. So speed is definitely a factor here. Slow it down. You can always add more speed. It's a lot harder to remove speed when you're in the middle of it. Oh, there we go. Okay, trying to cross multiple lanes. Going a little too fast, and we're going to hit the guardrail and dump the bike, and it's on fire. So slow it down. A lot of these issues that we see on these crashes and close calls is that the rider is going way too fast. So if you're somebody that is new to riding, you're getting into it, a lot of the problems that you're going to be having is controlling your own speed. So if you can control your own speed, you're pretty good. The rest is just kind of navigating road strategy. Oh.
Hey, I'm good.
Scared for his friend.
Look at me, I'm good.
That's sweet.
I'm good. I'm good. Look at me. Henry, look at me.
Oh, that's sweet. That's sweet. Oh, there's the crash. Okay, so that's what happened. Destroyed. All right, side of the vehicle. Oh, good job with a little bit of the braking. Thankfully, they saw us. Okay, we're going through here. Nice, easy speed. Oh, I love this positioning. So we haven't been able to see this. So let me pause it right here. See if I can get it. All right, so we talk about positioning for safety. So when I position for safety in traffic like this, I'm looking for an escape path. I'm looking for a space cushion and good line of sight. And how I typically get that, and I find that, because those are the things I'm looking for. There's a lot of different positions in a lane. And maybe you'll have one, maybe you'll have two, but not all three. The one I found that you're going to have all three is that when you are closer to that inside line, okay? Closer to the inside line. And I know in the MSF and other places, they teach you to be on the inside line for this one reason. And it's like, well, they'll see you in their side mirror a lot easier. Well, you and I both know that we watch these videos all the time. Nobody's even looking for this. Like, they don't see us. They're not looking in their mirror no matter what. You could be right on side by side with them. In their peripheral vision, they're still going to sideswipe you. So I don't really care about the mirror idea. I care about what we can do. And so I still like this position because my line of sight is in a lane splitting position. This is also my escape path if I need it. And it's also a good space cushion. So if I couldn't stop in time because the total stopping distance might be a problem, if I lane filter, I can still keep braking versus if I was right behind this person, I'm braking, crash because I didn't have enough total stopping distance. So when it comes to this, I like this position. And if it's somebody's taking it up, I might even switch over to the other side next to this lane and then still have the same thing. Either way, I am not behind the vehicle unless I'm far away, because then what's happening is that the space cushion, I can brake in time, or I can have enough time to switch and swerve into this lane position or swerve away in this lane position. So you're going to see right now, you see that line of sight straight ahead, much better. Look at that. That's your escape. That's your line of sight. You can react to the vehicle in front of your vehicle. You can react to this vehicle instead of this vehicle. You can react ahead of most people. So I like this position. And some places don't allow lane filtering, lane splitting. This is an emergency maneuver. So I don't care about the legal. If I'm going to crash or get a ticket, I'd rather get a ticket.
For absolutely no reason, and intentionally, one of the passengers decided to open the door right in front of non-approaching rider.
Oh, okay, that sucks. Why do people open the door in the middle of the road? Do you guys do that? Please tell me you guys don't do that.
You.
Who opens a door in the middle of the road? All right, it says slow. Are we going slow? Maybe. 30. Okay, slowing it down. We got a corner over here. Make the corner. Side of the vehicle right there. They're going to peek out. Nope. Okay, good. But these people are going to stop, and we're going to slam right into the back of them. So we weren't really paying attention. So if we were in a car and we rear-ended another car, it would still be our fault. And we can get mad at them, like, why'd they stop? Why'd they stop? Why'd they stop? It really doesn't matter. We should be paying attention to our space cushion. Just like, here's the car in front of us. My fingers right here. Here's the car in front of us. If you're not paying attention and it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger, that means it's getting closer. If you're getting closer to the car in front of you, at some point you're going to collide. So if the car is getting closer in front of you, it means either they stopped or you're speeding up. You should be paying attention to that. And if you can't stop in time, you got to do something else other than sit here. Maybe swerve, but I don't know. Well, a little fast here. We have a sharp right turn coming up. Sharp right turn coming up. Let's see what happens here. It looks like we're speeding up the camera. Good swerve. You got to swerve back, though. You're going to hit this person. Got very lucky. Look forward. You have a turn coming up. How about we slow it down? Yeah, the side of the vehicle, this person coming out, it's a vista point. But that's kind of the point. Like, we're going pretty fast when there's a lot of traffic. And you knew there's a vista point coming up. So when we talk about positioning for safety and locating hazardous situations, there's a lot of traffic. So you're in a hazardous situation. Maybe your speed is not a good idea, the high speed. But good job with the swerve. Got himself back. All right, what do we got here? Road surface hazards. Looks like we're gonna want to pass everybody. We're stuck behind a semi. That person wants to pass too. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Don't get too upset. Move on, get out of the lane. Get out of the lane. Oh, jeez. Move over. All right. This is an interesting looking road. Oh, side of the cyclist. Good job trying to avoid that. She didn't know how to apply the brakes, though. Oh. Right wrist injury. Right leg. Okay. Looks like a little bit of wet road right there. Oh. Yep. Wet road. You see that? Road surface hazard? I wonder if that's ice or, like, I don't know. It doesn't look like it's oil. It's just like cold water, maybe some ice on the paint. Ouch. There's the fingers on the right or on the left hand. Oh, we leaking. Shut off the engine. Shut off the engine. You don't want to accidentally drop the clutch. Wanted. Okay. Nobody likes GTA. Zigzagging through traffic. We have a stop sign coming. Oh, what did we hit? The suspension might be all screwed up. Got lucky. Suspension. Probably just kind of doing this and the suspension's not doing well. Maybe there's a road surface hazard. Pro tip, check for loose bolts. Okay. Yeah. So what do you do with that? That's your front brake. Is that a spark plug? That's your front brake. So you really only have your your rear brake. So you're gonna have to start downshifting and then hopefully get off the side of the road. Use engine braking to help you out with that. Not me paying attention almost put me on a curb. Hey, you listen to Justin Timberlake? I wouldn't be paying attention either. Just listen to that. All right, here we go. Moving on. So open lane pattern. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, so what you guys don't know, I mean, if you're brand new to this open lane pattern, he does have the indicator on too, is that big long line of cars. Nice little open lane here. Just like if we're at the grocery store and there's a line that's opened up and there's a lot of people standing in one line, somebody's going to just try to go for that lane. Same thing here. They're going to go for this lane. It's not, maybe not just this person, but that person, that person. So if we are going into this lane, be cautious of everybody here. Be cautious. So cover those brakes, be prepped for it. Look for the people wanting to sneak out, just like this. At this point, roll off the throttle, apply some ninja or some progressive braking, let them in. Let them in. And here's one thing that I like about it is if you let them in, every other car that wants to scoot over into your lane is going to see this big vehicle first. And they're going to have second thoughts. But if it's you in the front, they might cut out in front of you. So this person's like the canary in the coal mine. Let them go. The music, I swear. Okay, watching probably for... Oh, probably was trying to pass and then saw the vehicle. Oh. Got very lucky on that one. So thank you so much, MotoStars, for putting that out. Once again, guys, check out the book, The Cardo, 10% off. Links are all in the description. I'll see you guys on the next live stream. We're doing them on Fridays now at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So I'll see you then.